Alright, this is the cinnamon challenge. Put a bunch of cinnamon on the spoon. I'm gonna eat it. It's gonna taste really bad. It's gonna come out my nose and stuff. Show you the cinnamon, so you know I'm not lying. Cinnamon. Okay, here we go. Oh, it's coming out of my nose. Water.